So, welcome back to Forex Pros, and let's see what kind of trading opportunities do we have on gold. In our 2 weeks back analysis, the analysis that I posted 2 weeks ago, I said that my prediction was that you can see the analysis in the link in the description because the market did exactly what I said. So, first of all, as you know, that we have been discussing about this scenario because we're still in the same scenario. uh, you can see that the market was basically about to retest this monthly support, and as you know, if this support or resistance is of monthly or weekly or daily time frame, it is very effective. So as soon as the market tested this support, there was a huge rejection to the upside, and this is exactly what I predicted, and we gave a signal on our Telegram channel, and we were able to get a lot of hits, a lot of profits out of it. So if you want the signals, you want the confirmations, join our Telegram channel. Now coming back to the analysis, now as we have discussed that we were expecting this rejection from this monthly support, and this is exactly what the market did. Now moving down to the weekly time frame, what we can expect. Now on the weekly time frame, as we discussed that this was a very important structure support, and exactly the market retraced from that point, and now it is going to the upside. Now, if we want to measure a support, a retracement or a correction, what do we do? As you can see that there was a huge impulse, then a correction, then another impulse. When we want to measure an impulse and a correction, what do? We take the Fibonacci from top to the bottom. And what we can see is that our current target, the 0.382 retracement level, is at this point. So basically, on the weekly time frame, we can expect the 1758 to be our next week target on the buys, because overall in the long term we're expecting that the market should go down because of the COT data. I will explain that in a different video. Do tell me in the comment section if you don't know what is commitment of traders data. So according to the COT data, the market makers are currently opening sell positions, so we're expecting that our market will continue, that it made an impulse, a correction, again an impulse, then a correction, and continue its movement towards the downside. But still, we're expecting that the market might go up to the 1758. This is a short term bullish trade. Okay, now moving down to the daily time frame, what we can see, the scenario here is quite different. Here we can see why are we expecting a bearish trade in the long term. First of all, as you can see that there was a huge retracement, but also you can see that the market made this W pattern, and after the formation of W pattern, we expect the market to move down to the bottom neckline retracement. So currently, the two trades that we have are like, first of all, as soon as the market opens, we will be monitoring the price action of the market on the 4 hour time frame, because monthly, daily, and weekly time frames are just to get the direction of the market, to get our confirmation, to get our entry point. We go on the 4 hour or the 1 hour time frame. So first of all, we will be monitoring the price action of the market at this point, and if we see a bullish movement, which hopefully we will see, then we will be taking a bullish trade. And at this point, we will be monitoring the price action of the market and expecting a drop up to the at least up to 1684 level, even below that. But at this point, we can close half lots and place the SL at entry point. But also there is a scenario, an alternate scenario, because this is forex market, and in case if the Fed changes its tone, then in that case, what do we expect? We can expect a completely different scenario. Why? We will be monitoring the price action of the market at this point, and there is a possibility, just fundamentally, if the Fed comes up with something new, then we might see a bullish movement. In that scenario, we will let the market go up, and on the retracement, on the retest of the structure support, we will be monitoring the price action of the market, and we can take a bullish trade. So we will be prepared for all scenarios, but right now, as I told you, that we're expecting that the market should go down technically and be fundamentally as per the current scenario. Another reason for that is that, first of all, as we discussed the monthly time frame, on the monthly time frame, what did we see? uh, just a second. Yes, on the monthly time frame, we can see that this was a very important structure support. When the market came to this support, it made a huge rejection, again a huge rejection, and again we can see the market is making a rejection. So we can expect that the market might made a rejection to the 1840 level. Why? Because in that case, let me clear up the screen, because in that case, then we will have a head and shoulder pattern before the continuation to the downside. Because if the market wants to go down, and on the monthly time frame, if you take the Fibonacci from the top to the bottom, and what we can see is that the 0.382 level is up to the 1831 level, but we can expect a bit of an upper movement because the market makers manipulate the market to get the retail traders out and then start selling the market. So in the long term, we can expect that the market might test the 1840 level as well on the monthly time frame. But if you come down to the daily time frame, what we can expect? We can expect that right now, don't start buying because you need the confirmation, because this is a structured support level. And if we draw a zone, one might say 1712 to 1680, this is the zone, this is the bullish zone, buying zone according to me, because the next week is the last week of the month. So what we can expect? We can expect there is a possibility that the market might come down to manipulate to show a fake bearish movement, and as soon as the retail traders start selling in the market, that market might go below 1684. It will kick everyone out and start going towards the upward direction. So this is just the analysis, and of course, as soon as the market opens, then we will have a clear cut idea that what is the market about to do. And we will be posting everything in our Telegram channel, and it's completely free, so do join. Tell me in the comment section if you liked our analysis and what topic or pair would you like us to cover in the next video. Do subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any analysis from the